Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a continuation or a part 2 of how to create your do-it-yourself or a DIY website from scratch. So last time we already set up the website, and now we are going to set up an email, a personalized email that has a domain of your website's URL. So email like hello at libonmelangastv.com or hello at salabokdugo.biz. So the website that I'm using as an example is the newly created website, the website that I've created on my first part of the how to do it, or how of the video that I first created. So yeah, I'm on the dashboard right now, or the C panel. Like when you're from the dashboard from here, you just need to click on the C panel. So I've already clicked on the C panel, and then I was routed here. Okay, this is the dashboard, or another dashboard, or whatever you call it. Okay, so just go to the email tab and click on this email accounts. From here you can freely create your personalized email, like hello or admin or inquiry, whatever you like. So you just need to click on this create button and then set up the email that you would like to create. So for example, you would like inquiry. Okay, inquiry, that's it. So inquiry, this is the the domain. It would be inquiry at salabokdugo.biz. So your website's URL is salabokdugo.biz, and your email is inquiry at salabokdugo.biz. So that's very personalized. And you just need to set up your password. Okay. Alright. And I would like this email as having an unlimited storage, and I don't want to get routed anywhere after creation, so I just need to hit on create, and that's pretty much it. Okay, we can view the newly created account. So this is it. This is the newly created email, the very personalized email, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Okay, you just need to check on the email, and this should get you routed to the email itself. And I wanted, because you do have their environment, you can select the environment. You can have round cube. I love round cube. I usually, the other website that I manage, or my website, my own website, I use round cube, so I'm used to using round cube. So here we go. So this is an indication that this has been successfully created. Okay, so whenever you would like someone, or from your business website, you want everything, all of the inquiries to be routed here in this email, and you have someone in your business, in your office, that handles the inquiry at email, or inquiry at salabokdugo.biz. So it's another way of organizing all the queries that is coming in. Okay, so yeah, that's how I think about it. Alright, so that's the creation of the email, the personalized email. Now let's move to creation of the tabs. So currently these are, okay, let's go to the website, the current setting of the website right now. So it's not yet done. It's I think 10% done. So yeah, hold on. because I've checked something right here earlier. Okay, so here we go. So these are the tabs: about us, home. So home would just basically route you to the home page, okay? And then about us. So yeah, you can freely edit everything, update everything. And these are a drop down menu, and then contact us. This I actually put myself earlier. Yeah, if you would click on it, that will get you routed to my own website. Here we go. So how I did that, I can show you, and you have to check. Okay, so here's the current, this is the current setting of Salabok Dugo. So because I made changes earlier, hold on. Okay, so I just removed libonmelangas because I'm going to show you how to create that. So for example, we are going to create say for example, I want modify anything right here because this has already been set up by my brother. So let's just try to create something that that you can basically check from your end if it's a newly created website. So say for example, I wanted the option earlier that I did that would get you routed to another website. So let's create that. My URL is tp libonmelangastv.com, and I would just put on here, for example, home or travel blog. Okay, and then I will add to menu. Alright, so if we click on that, that should get us routed to my website. Okay, and then say let's try another. Okay, let's try another. So how many categories? There's a lot. Post, no post, I think. No post right here. Yeah, no post. And okay, I would like contact to be, just for the sake of this, this, so contact, about. So these are all the items that we should be seeing on the menu. Later I will just update this. Okay, alrighty, so here we go. So here's the changes that we made. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs that we added, right? From here we have added travel blog, contact, services, about. And these were the changes that has been reflected on the page. So for example, if we click on this, it should get routed to my website because we indicated the link. If you can see, there's a link right here, right? That's custom link, and you can link that on your tabs. And then the other tabs that we added, like contact, services, about. About is, let me see, so about is the about us, services, okay, this is not yet updated. Contact us is also not yet updated. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can play around with the tabs that you would want to be available on the top or the header of your website. So that's how you just need to set it up. pretty simple, pretty easy. Just need to follow on this tutorial. So for now, I'll just go ahead and remove them all just for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, yeah, we can remove that something. Okay, yeah, comment below if you do have questions, and yeah, anything about how to set up how to set up your WordPress website, and then I will try to create a video if I know how to. If I know the answer, then I will be more than happy to create another video to help you out. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned something today. And if you watch the part 1 and part 2 of this video on how to create your DIY website, then by now you should be able to set up your own website. Okay, to wrap up, so from part 1 we set up from scratch, like we sign up for a web hosting, and then second is we integrate WordPress content management system as our content management system. WordPress is free when you sign up for a new domain web hosting. And then the second part, which is the part 2, we set up an email, a personalized email like this. Hit inquiry@salabakdugo.biz. And then we also set up the tabs right here, clickable links at the top, like the header part of your website. And so it would be easier for your customers to navigate your site. Okay, and to more on how to post maybe, so you can just comment down below so I can create those. I can create a video for that. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.